All right, it is finally that time. It is iPhone season. All those Androids, push them to the side. It's iPhone time. We're going to be looking at all of the iPhones that came out. The Air, the 17, and the 17 Pro Max. Now, I didn't get a Pro, but I did get the Pro Max. This video is going to be the Air. I'm also going to be releasing an unboxing for the 17 and all three colors for the Pro Max. So stay tuned to the channel for those. All are coming out today. But we're going to take a look at what I'm most excited for, and that's going to be the Air. Let's get into it. So, just came back from the Apple Store, picked this bad boy up, and here we go. Now, of course, I had to go with that sky blue color because I loved the Sierra blue on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I couldn't wait for that to come back out. Now we finally got it in the Air. It's very close at least. Let's go ahead and check it out. So, here is the box. Now, I went to the Apple Store, made sure I didn't look at any other phones, just kind of horse blinders on, went right to the pickup counter, got everything I needed, and got right out. So, let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, this is going to be the Air in that 256. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and 1 and 2. Let's check this thing out. Now, I have not seen this in person yet, haven't touched it or anything. So, first impressions. Oh my goodness. Look at how, that is insane. I mean, hold on. Look at this compared to the 16 Pro Max. That is absolutely, this thing feels like a toy. This is insane, guys. I mean, you have to really go to the Apple Store, or if you bought one yourself, let me know down in the comments what your first impressions were. But this is going to be my daily for a little while because I cannot get over how thin this is. I have a bunch of cases for it already, and of course, stay tuned to the channel for that. But with this Air, I mean, this is comically unreal. It feels like a toy. But anyways, we'll set that off to the side for 1 second. Let's see what we get in the box. All it is going to be your USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. And then in here, you're just going to get your little usual stuff. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Let's see what we get in there. All right. So you're going to get your little quick start guide and that's it. No stickers? Come on, Apple. You charging all this money. First, you're going to put in the power brick. Now, no stickers. What's next? No box? What are we going to get in a tinfoil bag? Come on now. Anyways, let's put all this off to the side. Nobody cares about all that right now. And let's peel this thing up. Wow. I mean, guys, this thing is unbelievably thin. Now, let me tell you why I'm so excited about the Air. A lot of people are out there, I know you guys seen the videos, you've seen the comparisons, all that stuff where people are like, oh, the battery's not going to be as good as the Pro or the Pro Max. The camera's not going to be as good as, all these comparisons to the S25 Edge, to this, to that, to the Pro Max, the Pro. That's not who this is for. This is for somebody who wants the thinnest, lightest possible device. They don't want a huge phone and all this weight in their pocket. They may put this in their pockets, their purse, their sling bag, their backpack, anywhere, and just want something super light, minimal, thin. They don't care about the 0.5 zoom, the ultra wide zoom. They don't care about that. They don't care about a telephoto lens. They don't care about all the huge zoom. They just want a thin phone, light, not as expensive as a Pro. Now, granted, the price on this is $999, so this is the 256. Of course, it goes higher and more expensive. I got the base 256 one because that's what I get on my Pro Max anyways. My everyday phone is a 256. I only use like 100 gigs of it, so that doesn't matter. But that's who this is for. I'm tired of seeing all these comparisons about the battery life's not going to be that great. The camera, that's not what it's for. When you buy this, you know what you're getting, you know exactly what it is, and that's what it is. And I'm super, super excited to actually use this as my main phone, even though I'm a Pro user. As you guys see, just a little sneak peek, this is going to be my main phone. We'll get into that video a little bit later. Don't worry, we'll get there. But that's going to be my main phone. But I am more excited about this than anything else that has come out this year. And this is for sure going to get its paces put through. I'm going to use it. I'm going to go heavy on it. And I'm going to report back to you guys on the channel of exactly how I feel about it. But first impressions, enough rambling. Look at this thing. This blue is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and compare it. I just want to bring a little battery pack over here just so I just released a video on this recently, but just so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. A little blue on there. Everything looks really nice. It's got that very nice matte ceramic shield glass on the back. Love that. It is the titanium frame, which I hate that Apple got rid of the titanium on the Pro series, but I understand heat dissipation and all that stuff. Aluminum is way better with heat management than titanium, but this thing is going to be really nice. I don't think it's going to bend or break or anything like that, but just be careful with it. I mean, I don't think you really have to be too crazy careful with it. I, of course, got Apple Care. But anyways, let's just take a look at this and appreciate how thin it is. So starting off at the top, I mean, let's just look at that. That is beautiful. Left-hand side, there we go. We have our action button, volume up and down. It's closed in here, and everything is looking really good. I genuinely cannot get over how thin this is. Let me bring over a MagSafe wallet, right? This is Apple's original MagSafe wallet, and just putting these two next to each other, I mean, look at that. They're literally almost the same thickness with like one card in the Apple MagSafe wallet. That's really, really nice. Unbelievably thin. I'm very happy that Apple made something like this. That's awesome. But you have two antennas right here. Then on the bottom, what you're looking at is your USB Type-C port. And of course, you have a microphone and speaker. Now, I did read that the USB-C port was not centered. It's a little tiny bit off center, but it's not too bad. It doesn't really bother me. And of course, you do have your camera control button and your power button right here on the right-hand side. So all around, guys, this thing is beautiful. I cannot wait to get this set up. I'm putting my information on it right now. And if you guys are interested in seeing all the accessories and all that stuff, make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Get subbed up right now because they're all coming for the 17 Air, or I keep calling it the 17 Air, for the Air and for the 17 Pro Max. I'm sorry if I called it 17 Air a million times in this video. It's just, that's kind of what I was used to all the way up until last week when all the rumors were coming out. Everybody called it the 17 Air. So the iPhone Air, all the accessories are coming ASAP. All that. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear your thoughts. If you picked one of these up, I definitely can't wait to hear what you have to say about it because I'm super excited to use it. So one more look at it right here. Everything looks really nice. You're going to have your camera right there, the flash. You do have the little plateau here. Now, this is going to be that dual camera that they were talking about, but I'm really excited to actually put this camera to its paces. Check out the photos, the videos, all that on there. I'm really excited about it. And of course, as we know, it does have MagSafe. And I mean, just look at that. This is the original Apple MagSafe battery pack. I do have the iPhone Air MagSafe battery pack. We'll get into that video a little bit later. But just looking at how thin this thing is, it is absolutely unbelievable. Let me know what you guys think about the iPhone Air. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel because all these videos are coming at you hard every single day, Monday through Friday. We're getting into them. But if you guys want to see my unboxing of the iPhone Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, all three colors, I'm going to leave that video right here. If you want to see my unboxing of the iPhone 17, the regular one, that video is going to be right here.